In the all-weather tyre showdown, the reigning champion, the Michelin CrossClimate 2, faces off against a budget-friendly contender, the Firestone WeatherGrip, which is owned by Bridgestone. Can Firestone's lower price tag challenge Michelin's unmatched performance? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set as the reference point at 100%, with all performance data sourced from Canadian Tire's road-rated test. First up, wet performance. The Michelin CrossClimate 2 dominates, outperforming the Firestone WeatherGrip by 11% in hydroplaning resistance, braking, and handling. If staying in control during heavy rain is crucial, Michelin takes the lead. On snow, it's a close race. Michelin edges out Firestone by just 1%. Both tires provide solid traction, but the CrossClimate 2 holds a slight advantage in acceleration and braking. For winter weather, you can trust either tire to get the job done. Surprisingly, Firestone strikes back on ice. The WeatherGrip delivers 1% better braking and grip compared to Michelin. When the icy roads are part of your daily commute, the Firestone might just be a better pick. Dry conditions are where Michelin CrossClimate 2 pulls ahead by 8%. With superior braking and stability, Michelin provides more confidence in lane changes and cornering. In dry weather, Michelin is the clear winner. For comfort, Firestone claims victory with a 4% quieter and smoother ride. If you value a peaceful drive, the WeatherGrip is your tire. How about rolling resistance? Michelin edges out Firestone by 1% in fuel efficiency. A small difference, but every bit counts. Now, the price. Firestone WeatherGrip is 17% cheaper than the Michelin CrossClimate 2. On the budget, Firestone delivers impressive value without breaking the bank. In summary, for top-tier performance in wet and dry condition, Michelin CrossClimate 2 reigns supreme. But if comfort and affordability are your priorities, the Firestone WeatherGrip makes a compelling case.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.